Welcome back to the channel. I'm Rochelle. This is Brampton Gardener and we are outside. It is absolutely beautiful today. It is in the 70s and we are loving it. It's definitely shorts and t-shirt weather. So today's big project is potting up the tomatoes and the peppers. Here is my little station so far. So these are the tomatoes that I have going on upstairs and the peppers. And oh my goodness, we got lots of fruit coming off on these ones. Very exciting. And some of the basil, I'm not sure. So I have my inventory list here. I have 14 of the micro tomatoes and I have 20 of the peppers, these ones here, and then 22 of the smaller peppers. And I'm not sure if I'm going to be potting them up. They're probably going to go in their own tray, maybe a little bit later. They're not very big yet. So we're going to see how many. So that means I need 34 soil blocks to get those planted up. Oh, plus the 4 eggplant. So 38, and then I have, you know, some of these other things that need to get potted up into the larger soil blocks. So that's just going to be kind of dependent on whatever is left on the tray. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to start with my tomatoes and peppers, and I'm going to label them. So I went to the dollar store and I was going to use the coffee stir sticks, and they did not happen to have any. So these are 10-inch bamboo skewers, and I'm probably going to cut them into thirds, I think. And I'm going to use those. I'm going to try those. I've used these in the past, but these are really tall, which is kind of nice because it will give some support to some of them, but this is cheaper if I cut them into thirds. So I'm going to try both and just see which one I like. I like how much wider this is, so it'll be a lot easier to write on. So I'm just going to set up my little station here, and I'm going to make all my labels first, and then we'll get started on the soil blocks. watching. I got a ton done. I got everything I wanted up and potted up. And I think they're gonna do good. They look a little rough the first few days always, but I think they're gonna take really nicely to the larger soil blocks, and I think they're gonna like it out in the greenhouse. Thank you so much for watching. Thumbs up before the train comes. Bye.